Here you go. You will see something amazing. This is a camera. That small one is the screen, and this is the front camera. This is another camera who can monitor the front of the vehicle, and in this camera you can see it's monitoring inside the vehicle. There are small tips for the line to go to the back side. It's the connection line. If you want me to open it, it's gonna be open like that. It's going to be open like that. That's the charger of the camera, and that's the stand for the back side of the camera. The back camera is also attached here. This one is the back camera. You see here, that's the back camera, the rear camera, and this is the stand of the camera. So that's another charger. That's all what we have for the day. You will see the how it's work in my next video.